Mtebeni ukhunjulwe njengomfundi obenekusasa eliqhakazile njengoba ebesenza unyaka wokugcina wezifundo zobumeli eNyuvesi iFort.
Her future was looking bright. She was a student that was finishing the law degree, budding law practitioner, had dreams, and was going to be joined by the parents in celebrating critical milestones in achieving those dreams and aspirations as she went on. All of that was cut short.
Isihlava sodlame oluyamene nobulili sigxeke kakhulu kule nkonzo.
UNosicelo was gruesomely killed in the name of love. Madoda, lento iqala apha kuthi kwaye izawupheliswa kwasithi. Ngalamazwi ndihlaba ikhwelo ndithi masulwe lo mkhuba uzotsho uchabalale unaphakade.
Kuvunyelwana nangokuthi kufanele kubhungwe ngamasu okuqeda lesihlava emphakathini.
It is not enough, or it is not only about setting up these institutions. It is about challenging the behavior which has become accepted. It is about ensuring that we collectively as a society systematically deal with the problem of patriarchy, for instance, that we systematically deal with the whole issue of gender-based violence, and that we begin to deconscientize particularly men in our society and deal with all of these issues around entitlement and all of that, which are as a result leads to the killing of women in our society.
Ngomsombuluko umsolwa kuleli cala wakhetha ukusilaxaza isicelo sebhayili kanti leli cala lihlehliselwe umhlazi engamashumi amabili nesishiyagalombili kumandulo.